My name is Chris Bobbitt. I'm the Chief Executive Officer of HP Labelling Pty Limited. We are possibly the most versatile label printing company in South Africa, and we print on all substrates. The printing industry, and specifically the label industry, is moving very quickly. The flexographic industry is moving very quickly. Like anything else, moving into the digital world, there are major benefits of moving to digital. Where you have customers with multiple variants, it's far more cost effective to do them, scheme them up together and run them digitally. We did quite extensive market research in terms of our digital presses. The screen Truepress suited our needs basically because of productivity. It prints anything up to from between 40 and 50 meters a minute. Our customers were very happy. For one point, not paying for printing plates. Digital is print on demand, where a customer wants 2,000, 5,000, 10,000 or 20,000 labels. You can actually supply them in a very short space of time.
Well, the fit, I think, has been perfect. We did a lot of research into what machine we wanted, how and where it was going to fit into our factory. So by the time it came along, we were pretty much ready for it. The installation ran very smoothly. We were up and running within about a week or so. The backup from screen and the training, absolutely exceptional. I think what we like about it most is the simplicity. You basically download files that are print ready. It prints at 50 meters a minute, or it doesn't. No waste, stop, job, run. As easy as that. So for us to learn it was pretty painless, and since day one it's been printing efficiently. You first think there's initially there to do shorter runs, what you don't want to do flexo, but in some instances where it's promotional stuff and you're up against the wall time frames, 500,000 labels, 2 days it's done. Substrates from uncoated boards right through to films, the options are absolutely limitless. Quality is a given. There's no plates, there's no registration problems you can have. In fact, we've taken some guys from pharmaceutical industries and we've done short runs for them quickly, digitally, whereas their mainstream stuff is still flexo, and they've subsequently changed from flexo to digital at an additional cost because A, quality, and B, also in pharmaceutical, there's no chance of any waste getting into the pharmaceutical labels because there is none. Absolutely a game changer for us. One of the big retailers is a big customer of ours, and they came with a spice range which had 27 variants in it. 27 variants, if we hadn't had digital, would have been 27 times 6 plates. In the printing and flexographic, it would have been 6 plate changes for every 2,000 labels that we ran, which would have taken approximately 3 shifts to complete the job. Digital, there were no plate charge to the customer, so he was delighted, and in 6 hours we finished printing the job. Voila, delivered to Pretoria 2 days later, fantastic.
Well, with the screen Truepress, there's zero waste. The running speeds compared to other digital machines, we found far better and good for our business. Our reaction from our customers has been overwhelming. It's given us a greater variety of high quality products that we can supply to our customers. What we've been able to do is convert existing multiple setup orders to convert them from conventional flexo to digital and be more cost effective. For example, where you would take an order where you've got 42 or 43 variants of three or four different sizes, where it would take you, depending on the quantities, 30 to 40 hours to print on conventional flexo, you could maybe do it in 16 hours printing it digitally. We are delighted with the screen inkjet Truepress, so we're very happy with our acquisition. Our future is that we would be able to fill up this machine, become very busy, which I think it will happen, and we believe that there will be a need for a second screen Truepress in our Johannesburg facility.